What is brain fog? Brain fog is a condition characterized by mental disorientation, difficulty focusing, and a hazy or tired feeling in the brain. It may cause problems with concentration, memory, and efficient information processing. A lack of sleep, stress, an unhealthy diet, hormonal fluctuations, or underlying medical issues can all contribute to brain fog. Brain fog symptoms can be reduced by treating the underlying cause and making lifestyle adjustments, including stress management, better sleep hygiene, and eating a balanced diet. Let's talk about 5 nutrients that clear brain fog. Although there isn't a single vitamin that specifically addresses brain fog, a number of vitamins and minerals are essential for proper brain function and general cognitive health. The following 5 vitamins and nutrients could help reduce fog in the brain. First nutrient that clear brain fog is B vitamins. B vitamins play an important role for the health of the brain, particularly B6, B9 folate, and B12. They facilitate neuron activity, neurotransmitter production, and cognitive processing. Brain fog and other cognitive problems might result from deficiencies in these vitamins. Leafy veggies, legumes, nuts, seeds, eggs, dairy products, and fortified cereals are among the foods which include B vitamins. Second nutrient is omega-3 fatty acids. The brain requires omega-3 fatty acids, specifically DHA docosahexaenic acid and EPA icosapentaenic acid. They enhance neural connection, aid in lowering the level of brain inflammation, and advance general cognitive performance. Walnuts, flax seeds, chia seeds, and fatty fish including salmon, mackerel, and sardines are good sources of omega-3 fatty acids. Third nutrient is vitamin D. A number of brain processes, including mood control and cognitive function, are influenced by vitamin D. Deficits in vitamin D have been connected to mood problems and memory loss. Sunlight exposure, fortified food items such as cereals and dairy products, and supplements are good sources of vitamin D. Fourth nutrient is vitamin C. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that protects brain cells from oxidative damage. It also promotes neurotransmitter production and overall brain function. Citrus fruits, berries, kiwi, bell peppers, and broccoli are excellent sources of vitamin C. Fifth nutrient is magnesium. Magnesium is engaged with many biochemical responses in the body, including those connected with mind capability. It manages synapse pathways, upholds synaptic pliancy, and has calming properties. Magnesium-rich food sources incorporate mixed greens, nuts, seeds, entire grains, and vegetables. In addition to these vitamins and nutrients, a balanced diet rich in a variety of nutrients is important for overall brain health. To determine the underlying cause and appropriate treatment, consult a healthcare professional if you're experiencing persistent brain fog. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.